5 until 10 p.m. Central Daylight Time.
What is this?
This watch includes the following counties in Texas: Denton and Wise. Remember, a severe thunderstorm watch means the conditions are favorable for the development of severe weather, including large hail and damaging winds in and close to the watch area.
First ever
While
watch.
severe weather may not be imminent, persons should remain alert for rapidly changing weather conditions
What is it?
and listen for
What is
later
it?
statements and
What's going
possible
on?
warnings. Stay tuned to NOAA Weather Radio, commercial radio,
I was
and
just
television outlets,
watching
or
Pokemon
internet sources for the
with
latest
my
severe
boombox.
weather information.
No, I'm gonna turn this off. My homemade boombox.
Current time is 5:36 p.m. Central Daylight Time. You're listening to NOAA All Hazards Radio, the voice of the National Weather Service, station KEC 55. Serving the Dallas-Fort Worth listening
What's
area.
going on? What?
The following reports of weather temperature and
What?
wind were made at 5
That's not the RWT
SVA Airport.
that was
Partly sunny,
expected later
107,
today.
dew
This is a
64,
severe thunderstorm
relative
watch.
humidity 24%,
What is it? What?
Heat index 111.
Why is there an
Wind south at
SVA?
22, gusting to 33. Pressure 29.67
It's not 6 yet.
and falling.
It's only
Fort
5:23.
Worth meter, mostly sunny, 108. Heat index 110. South at 12, gusting to 22. Dallas Love Field, mostly sunny, 104. Heat index 106.
What is this,
Southwest at 13, gusting to 23.
Evacuate 'cause it's not on.
Arlington, mostly sunny, 107. Heat index 109. South at 10, gusting to 22.
Talk about a late activator.
Denton, mostly sunny, 107. Heat index 109. Southwest at 18,
Good job,
gusting
baby.
to 30.
100. It's you,
Mineral Wells,
then you,
sunny,
then you.
109. Heat index 109. South at 18, gusting
Wait
to
for
26.
Play.
Elsewhere around the region, Wichita Falls, partly sunny, 109. Heat index 108. West at 17, gusting to 24. Abilene, mostly sunny, 106. Heat index 106. Southwest at 10.
Let's wait for this.
Waco, sunny, 105.
Excuse me.
Heat index 109.
Alexa, read my notifications.
Tyler, sunny, 106. Heat index 109. South at 22, gusting
Hasn't
to
gone
30.
yet.
Once again at 5 p.m., DFW Airport.
First ever
partly
watch
sunny,
on this
107.
and this.
Heat index 111. South at 22, gusting to 33. Now let's check on your local forecast for the Dallas-Fort Worth Metroplex. Excessive heat warning in effect until 8 p.m. Thursday. Rest of this afternoon.
They don't-
Sunny. Hot with
they don't
highs
tell
around
those.
107.
There's Thomas says
Southwest winds 15 to 20 miles an hour. Heat index values up to 110.
I was just watching.
Tonight,
Come on.
partly cloudy with a 20% chance.